How to change your text color and please donate on Roblox mobile. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text color on your stand and please donate within the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So as you can see here on my stand and please donate, I've not only changed the color of the text, but also the font. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a really easy tool that allows you to change the color and font of the text displayed on your stand and please donate. And to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser and navigate to pleasedonatetext.com and check the description. I'll have a direct link down there, so you can just click that. Once you get to pleasedonatetext.com, scroll down until you see this text box right here that says enter your desired text. So right here, we just enter the text that we want to be displayed on our stand and please donate. After that, we can choose the font that we want for our stand, and they have several different fonts here. Then we can choose the font color, so the color of our text. I'll do blue. After that, we can choose the stroke thickness. This is basically the border around your text. I'm going to do 2, and I'm going to change that to white. After that, go to the bottom and simply select copy. Now we can go back to please donate, go up to a stand and claim it, then edit the stand. And in the text box here, simply paste the text that we copied from pleasedonatetext.com, select apply, and there you go. The color on my stand is now blue, and it says subscribe now, which is what I wanted it to say. All right, so that's how you change text color and please donate. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more please donate tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.